Hello and welcome to the section on adding spaces and objects. I am going to click on the top here. I'm using my profile, but you can use anyone else's profile. For example, I added my mom's plants to her profile so I can actually broadcast directly to my mom's plants. Things like health and healing and love and all kinds of things. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and you click that the profile and you click spaces and objects and you'll see that I have quite a few here. Um, and there's three sections whenever you click the add button. I'm not going to actually add anything because right now I don't have an example to add, but here like the top will be the living room, and then in the description I put our living space, and then I uploaded a photo of our living room. Same for our bathroom. That was I was trying to get rid of mold. That wasn't quite successful. Our bathroom, our kitchen. I've done the kids' bedroom, lots of different ones. I have one for my shop. I have one for my kids so that I could broadcast to them at the same time. I have one for my bank account. So you can broadcast to literally anything. I can't scroll down, but if I would scroll down, you would see the Cephi groups that I created that I started in August of 2023. So what I did was put the Cephi group name and then I listed out everybody's name in that group. And then I'll also show you how to broadcast to a group or a space or object. So essentially what you do is click the add button. You type in the name of what you want to broadcast to, or what the space or object is. It can be your home, it can be a room, it can be a bank account. Literally, the options are endless. It could be a group of people. So you can type in the name that you want it to be classified as, and then get as detailed as you want in the description. And then you can upload a photo directly to there and then click save, and it will save it into your list of spaces and objects. So next, in order to actually broadcast to spaces and objects, you'll go back to the home button, click on Cephi, and this is your target. So I'm going to click on this quickly because I think it will show all of the things. And I'm trying not to show any of clients through this. So here you can see the profile. You can see it says the subtle energy frequency and printer. And then you'll see the target and you'll click on that. Oh, perfect. Click on the target and then you can choose any of the objects or the spaces or the groups that you want to. This you can see it says Princess. That's actually our cat. I have her in as a animal under my profile, so I can show you how to do that in another video. But what you'll do is just choose a profile or a space or an object under that person's profile. So if I was doing my mom's name would be up here, and then hers would say her name and then plants, because those are the only two I have in there for her. But you can do this with any client or lots of things for yourself. So I'm going to just go ahead and click the Wellness Community SoCo because that's one I broadcast to often. You can then go to custom playlist and choose, I have one with a tree called the Wellness Community, and those are what I broadcast to the Wellness Community. You can click continuous broadcast, send it for as long as you want, or you can do a 2-minute broadcast, and that will broadcast each of these items for 2 minutes total. And I'm gonna move that up so I can go back. Another thing that you can do with spaces and objects, which is pretty cool, is which I am going to go into this a little bit with the Cephi module, but you can click on one of the different Cephi options programs and then click scan, and it will scan that space or object, and then it will recommend a specific frequency for that space or object. So for like the Cephi groups, I've been choosing a Cephi group and then I click scan, and then as a collective, that group needs XYZ and then I broadcast it. So right now my store needs stamina, which not gonna lie, we all need a little of that lately. And so I would just click a 2-minute broadcast, let it run through. That's available on the Quantum Reach, Quantum Affirmations, Quantum Chakras, and the quantum flowers and Cephi dots can be imprinted, or the flowers need to be added to a custom playlist. You can't directly broadcast those from that program, but you can also erase. Um, a great one to do for objects, especially spaces, would be an energetic clearing or an energetic shield. That's a great one to do for your house, just to clear any negative energy and then to just shield it energetically. But that is how to do spaces and objects.